Okay, I'm going to be going into Red Bird Café. Jams, jellies, curds, coffee, tea, desserts, salad, sandwiches. Decorated for the season, it seems. Serving lunch 11 till 2. Cafe open until 5 p.m. Hello.
What's that?
This is Red Bird Cafe.
This is the famous.
The famous Red Bird Cafe.
I have more Busy Gillespie coming up for you, and that'll be happening, of course, in the next set. It is 12.
Looks pretty nice. I'm here for lunch.
You're here for lunch, okay?
Yep.
You can sit at any one of the two tops.
Two tops.
Any one of these three places right here.
Okay. This one's pretty good.
Okay.
Thanks. You've got a lot of paintings.
Yes, we do.
They're nice.
Thank you. So today we have squash soup,
Squash soup.
and we also have wild rice soup, and we have broccoli quiche, and we're not doing the avocado strawberry because it's out of season, but we are doing a apple, walnut, blue cheese salad instead.
Okay, I think I'll get
But you can wait. Look at the menu if you want. What can I get for you to drink first?
You have coffee, right?
Yeah.
I'll take that, please.
Okay. Do you take cream?
Oh no, I don't. I prefer it plain.
Plain. Okay, let me get your coffee, then I'll get your order.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Whatever amount is comfortable for you. So 966-5299, toll free 1-800-790-0415 or online at jazz901.org. The Grease Athena Show Choir and Musical Theater present the new musical Catch Me If You Can on stage Friday, Sunday, October 20th through 28th.
That's our house blend. You're making me crazy.
Jamaican Me Crazy?
Yeah.
Oh, I heard of that at school. Jamaican Me Crazy.
Mm-hmm.
There was something like that back when I went to Greece Athena.
Oh. Okay. Do you know what you would like?
Yeah, I would like the quiche, please.
The quiche, and would you like pasta salad or applesauce with that?
What's the pasta salad?
It's a tricolor pasta. It has peppers, fresh vegetables in it, and onion, and Italian dressing.
Okay, I'll get the pasta salad, please.
And would you like a croissant with that?
Yes, please.
All right. You're all set.
Thanks. The coffee's nice.
Saturday, October 21st at 7 p.m. The party will include a live performance by
Right back.
For more information, visit wondercup.com.
The coffee's nice and warm. And it's good.
How is it?
The coffee's good.
Good.
Looks just fine for this evening with a starlit sky overnight. Make sure you check out one of the best meteor showers of fall, the Orion meteor shower peaks tonight. The low temperature in the middle 40s tomorrow brings a mostly sunny sky, unseasonable warm. Highs will be in the upper 70s.
Made on premises with fresh cream, eggs, and a delicate crust.
Still have that blue sky and a 65
Broccoli
degrees.
quiche.
That's a 10. Here in Greece at member-supported channel 9.1.
Nicely decorated silverware. Oh yeah. That part's a store. The Redbird is partially a store of some sort, so is that a pie or is that a quiche? Probably that there's probably a pie. Most likely. Nice relaxing music. As you can hear, it's instrumental. It's room temperature right now, as in I feel neither cold nor hot. Coffee's a hot beverage. So it's best to drink it sip by sip until it cools down. This is a nice rug. Not super colorful, but it doesn't need to be super colorful. It's got a nice design, which is pretty consistent except for that grate over there. Plenty of lamps and flowers. Like I said, decorated for the season. It's near Halloween. pretty sure there's no back.
I'm really sorry about Wednesday.
Yeah, I thought for sure you were coming in. I was like,
No, see, I texted
There
her
is a
couple
back to the
times, but I
menu.
must have forgot to erase my name.
Thank you.
you're welcome. Okay. Careful, that quiche is very hot.
Oh. It's steaming a little. Better try the pasta salad first. Pretty good. Just the kind of taste you would expect of pasta salad. That was a nice tomato. The pasta salad is good.
Oh, I'm glad you like it.
Yeah. Nice and healthy.
It is healthy.
Butter for the croissant, I assume. You know, I think the number one thing you don't like about salads most of the time are the dressings. At least some dressings. This one has Italian dressing. Which I guess I really don't mind because the quinoa I had yesterday had Italian dressing too. I guess I could describe the pasta salad as having a very mild relish taste. Because you know it's not really a relish taste. But it's along those lines. Didn't look at that too much. Thought I dropped something for a second there. What are these? Cauliflower? The vegetables are nice and crunchy. I think the quiche has. Is that part of the processed salad? These leaves? Here's the broccoli quiche. The broccoli quiche is good. It's got a taste similar to broccoli and cheddar soup. Oh. Huh. That was pretty close. Well, lunch has pretty much just begun. Not many people here right now.
You still doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing good. The quiche is good.
Oh, good. You're still good on coffee and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, well just let me know if you need anything.
Oh, the coffee's cooler now. If I remember correctly, it's a Jamaican Me Crazy blend. That was a pretty big piece. Let's try the croissant. Not much to it.
Are you still using that?
Yeah, I'm still using that.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. The butter's pretty melted. Say, can I get a BLT wrap?
A BLT wrap? Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. You still hungry?
Well, yeah, I want to try this place out, you know?
Okay. I'll bake it for you.
Thanks.
You want to grab this place? Gonna have a BLT wrap.
Okay.
Oh, wait,
You're still using that?
yeah, I didn't get those vegetables here.
Okay, I'll let you finish that.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thanks. I enjoyed the quiche. Those last vegetables are always hard to get with the silverware. It's easier to get with these, but you're not supposed to use these. I think these are remains from the croissant. And these obviously are remains from the pasta salad. Good coffee. Excuse me, are there free refills on the coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Are you done with your plate?
Yeah, just about. I mean, I don't think there's really anything left except maybe this.
All right. I'll get you some more coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah. Here's the rest of the back of the menu.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your BLT wrap on the side, do you want pasta salad again, or did you want applesauce?
Applesauce, please.
Applesauce, okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
But just smelling the flowers. Oh, the coffee's hot again. That might be... They might use that for... I assume they use that at afternoon tea. Thing is, you need a reservation for afternoon tea, which I didn't make. And honestly, even if I did, I wouldn't have, because by the time it's afternoon tea, it's too late for lunch. Ooh. They do make the coffee hot, but not too hot. My favorite painting out of all of these? That's hard to decide. Thank you. Say, are the paintings by local artists at Brockport?
They're local artists, yes. I don't believe any of them go to SUNY Brockport, but they are all local.
Say, wait, I don't think I have any silverware.
Oh yeah, I'll bring you some more.
Thank you. It's just that I can't really eat the applesauce with my hand. I mean, I could, but it would look weird.
Make a mess.
A mess of my hand, at least.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
There you go.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
The BLT wrap is good. I just hit the bacon for the first time. It's got a mild savory taste. This entree has meat in it. And from what I've read, it also has ranch dressing. That is a good entree. I can taste the tomatoes. Although, the wrap does have a tendency to get stuck on the roof of my mouth for a bit. There's the ranch dressing. Well, the coffee may have cooled down by now. Oh, what's healthier? Coffee or water? Coffee can be calorie-free. Don't know for sure if plain coffee. From what I hear, plain coffee is calorie-free. The BLT wrap is good. I like it. The
Okay.
ranch dressing is nice.
Nice. Good. It hits the spot.
Yeah.
Good. Can I get you anything else right now, or are you still doing okay?
Oh, anything else? Well, I was thinking the triple cheese. Does the triple cheese grilled cheese panini come with anything?
It comes with pasta or applesauce.
Huh. I guess I could get the pasta again. I mean, I wanted to get a panini here.
Okay. Do you want it for here or to go?
For here, I've got plenty of time today.
Okay.
I'm from the college at Brockport.
Oh, okay. Are you doing a food vlog?
Yeah. Trying out different unfranchised places.